Hey everybody, we're gonna learn how to add text or question to your Excel. So in order for us to do that, all you do is you go to insert, and when you go to insert, if you notice it, there is this button, it says A with a text in the bottom. You click on that button and then you will have 4 tabs will come up. Or options: text box, headed and footer, word art, signature line, and object. So I'm going to choose the first one, text box. The text box will have this kind of arrow or cursor. You use that and you drag that from one end to the other end wherever you would like to make the text box. So I created that. So here you go. This is my text box. And I'm going to start writing my last name, first name, student ID, class, or my question I would like to have to work on my Excel project. So here you go. I already have the question ready for you. So I just pasted my question up here. And then I can use this little button or this arrow to kind of drag up and down or left and right to make my text box little smaller or bigger. Hope this will help you.